We're gonna change the power cord of this trimmer. We can see here is broken. Also, we are gonna change the blade of the trimmer. Here we can see is broken. We ordered the parts, the blade and the cord on eBay. This is the replacement blade for the trimmer Andis Styliner number 2. The trimmer version that I got here is the old one, but the blade is the same. This is the replacement power cord. We also gonna change it. We are gonna remove the screw to install the power cord. Disassemble this screw to remove the on and off switch. Remove this plastic part of the on and off switch. We also gonna remove this metal part. We can see that the negative wire is welded under the on and off switch. We are using a propane butane lighter to extract the wire. We remove the wire and here we can see the hole where the new wire is gonna go in. Now we're gonna remove the positive wire. Heat it up with the lighter to extract the positive wire. Now we're gonna make the connection of the positive wire. We are gonna use a welding wire and we found it on an auto parts store. Cut the end of the wire to have a clean connection. We're gonna connect both positive wires. We're gonna use the welding wire and we're gonna use the lighter to melt it on top of the positive connection. We can appreciate here the welding of the positive wires. We're gonna use an electric wire tape or black tape to protect the welding of the positive wires. Now we're gonna make the connection of the negative wire. Introduce the negative wire inside the hole that brings the on and off switch. We're gonna use again the welding wire and we're gonna apply heat with the lighter so it melts on top of the connection of the negative wire. Here we can see the welding of the negative wire. We are gonna assemble the on and off switch. Before installing the wire, install also this metal part. Install the screw of the on and off switch. Also install the plastic part of the on and off switch. Install the lid of the trimmer. Also install the screws of the lid of the trimmer. Connect the power cord on the wall. We can see the trimmer is fixed without any problems. This is the old power cord and we're gonna compare with the new one. Now we're gonna install the replacement blade of the trimmer. Remove these screws to install the blade. This is the new blade. This white is a lubricant grease. This is the screw for the adjustment of the blade. We're not gonna use it because the blade is brand new. This is the old blade and the reason we are gonna change the blade, because this corner here is broken. Install the blade and the screws. We're gonna use clipper oil to lubricate the blade. Also, we're gonna apply clipper oil in this area. We turn on the trimmer and everything is working perfectly. I hope you liked my video, thanks for watching and see you next time.